The Office of the Chief Electoral Officer Meghalaya has officially signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Meghalaya Education Department yesterday in Shillong. The collaboration aims to introduce the electoral clubs in schools across the state. Meghalaya Chief Electoral Officer B.D.R. Tiwari, while addressing the media, said the Election Commission of India, in view of the forthcoming election Lok Sabha 2024, has come up with this idea of collaborating with the Education Department for the larger participation and especially to create awareness among the young voters to activate the Electoral Literacy Club in schools and colleges.
Election Commission of India, in view of forthcoming Lok Sabha election 2024, for the larger participation from different end, especially to create larger awareness among the young voters. So they have come up with an idea to activate the electoral literacy clubs at higher scale. So they made a provision for signing of MOU of the State Chief Electoral Officer's Office and the Education Department.
During the first day of the JHEDC budget session,